Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to enter the stock market as a beginner. In this video, we will show you how to use ChatGPT to learn about the stock market and gain insights that will help you make better investment decisions. Before we get started, let's cover some basics about stock market trading. The stock market is a collection of exchanges where stocks, bonds, and other securities are traded. It can be a complex and overwhelming place for beginners, but with the right tools and resources, you can learn how to invest and grow your wealth over time. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can provide you with a wealth of information about the stock market. Inside ChatGPT prompt, type, "Learn about the stock market." ChatGPT will provide you with a range of resources, including articles, videos, and tutorials, that will help you understand how the stock market works. Once you have a basic understanding of the stock market, you can use ChatGPT to analyze individual stocks. To do this, type the name of a stock you are interested in and press enter. ChatGPT will provide you with a range of information, including the company's financials, historical performance, and market trends. With the information provided by ChatGPT, you can make better investment decisions. For example, if you are considering investing in a particular stock, ChatGPT can help you understand the company's financials and market trends, which will help you make an informed decision. Remember that investing in the stock market carries risk, and it is important to diversify your investments and seek the advice of a professional financial advisor. That's it for our tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to enter the stock market as a beginner. We hope you found this video helpful, and we encourage you to continue learning and exploring the stock market. If you want to learn more about stock market, make sure to check out our video on stock market basics. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.